Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yeah, this is gonna be a little bit of a different type of video. Uh, Basically, we're just gonna be exploring the long-term outlook and possibility of Bitcoin going to, higher prices. I mean like much higher, right? So basically we've seen, I don't know if you've heard, but there is this stock to flow model out there on Bitcoin, and basically saying that every 4 years we have a massive run up, right, in price, and then the Bitcoin price corrects like 80% after that, and basically that's your cycle. And right now we're kind of like in the middle of the cycle, in my opinion. There's also a theory where lengthening cycles and diminishing returns, where it takes longer for the Bitcoin price to reach its all-time high, and the diminishing returns, so the returns are significantly less. So we can see in the first bull run we had a return of 8,506%, and it took us 371 days, so basically 1 year to reach the all-time high. And after the halving on the second bull run, we saw that we got a return of 3,189% and 91%. Sorry, 3,189%, 0.97. But that's basically like a little bit of inaccuracy right here due to my my little boxes. But yeah, basically that took us 518 days. And now in the third bull run, after the third halving, we could see that it could possibly maybe take us another 200 days, or I'm just guessing right here, maybe 700 days, and we only get a return of 2,200%, or up to this red line right here, which could potentially be the next all-time high at $200,000, $25,000. I personally think we might reach even $250,000 over the course of the next year. I think we might take us until 2022 to reach the next all-time high. I don't think we are going to go back down to 20,000, as that would invalidate the stock to flow model. But we'll see. We can't really guess the future. Things are unprecedented right now. The amount of money printing, right? That is also another reason why I believe Bitcoin will rise in price. The amount of money that the government is printing, and they have stopped sharing it with us as well. We could take a look at it right here. I could show you guys. I had a chart saved up for you guys. So I'll go load it up right now. Let's go load that up for you. Supply right there. There we go. And yeah, you can basically see right here. Oh, those are the Fed funding rate, but yeah, basically M2 money stock and the M1, you can see how much they've printed, right? You can see we've gone during the pandemic, we went from 44,400, and it increased. Oh, sorry, I just activated Siri there by accident, but it increased it almost by 323%. So if the amount of money that they've printed is going to have a massive effect on scarce assets and prices, and the inflation rate can't stay this low. And when people are saying that the rates are, it's impossible for rate hikes to happen, but if inflation really starts to get out of hand, the Fed is going to have to step up and to do something. And honestly, in my opinion, I think they're bluffing. I think they have no idea what they're doing. I think that they won't be able to raise the rates, because if you raise the rates, you're going to have a massive stock market correction, and honestly, they don't want that, right? They want to keep things going up and up and up forever and ever and ever. We can see right here the SPY, right, almost at its tipping point now. Once again, we broke down the other day, I believe. Yep, and then we went back in, and now we're starting to fall back down again. Once again, it just won't stop. We'll take a look at it on the non-logarithmic scale to get a better view of it. There we go, that makes more sense. There we go. So you can see now we bounced off, and potentially we could be falling down right now. But who knows what the Fed is going to do. They just printed another $1 trillion, which could push up the market even higher again as the money gets injected into the economy. But right now, we could see that Bitcoin's sitting at 47,261. We had a nice run up right here from the lows of the $30,000 levels. And historically speaking, Crypto did a video on this, but it's the previous 0.618 Fibonacci retracement for the on the macro scale, and once we reach that point, we bounce up from there and we go to new all-time highs. So technically this was the bottom, and now we should be heading to new all-time highs. And honestly, it's not the end of the world. People are panicking today because we got a small dip from 49,000 all the way to 47,000. I decided to close my long there, but I still have my spot buy. If anything, if I get some more cash on hand, I'll buy some more. Right? I really believe that gold, silver, and crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, will rise in price. This is not financial advice, by the way. You should definitely do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. But all in my opinion, I really think that the gold price and Bitcoin price will rise in the future. You can see that gold has a nice little support level right here at $1,685. And yeah, once you see, I think we might even see oil go to $100 a barrel by the end of the year. But yeah, you know, everything that's going to happen in the next few years is going to show that we were not wrong about inflation, and the Fed was wrong about inflation. They were wrong about mortgage-backed securities back in 2008, and they were slow to act, right? They only react once you know, pardon my French, but when shit hits the fan, they decide to step in and do something. They won't take any measures to stop it in advance. They only react to something that happens in the moment. So you're gonna see that unfold throughout the next few years, possibly the coming months, maybe the end of the year. I don't know. I don't like to make long-term price predictions like this, but yeah, that's basically my opinion. We might even see crypto exceed my price target. Who knows what it can reach after so much money printing and inflation. And if the dollar goes down, and the DXY right here, we can take a look at it, if the dollar strength index starts to collapse in and implode on itself, then you're definitely going to see a rise in scarce assets. 100%, absolutely. But yeah, anyways, you guys can do some more research on your own. This was just a small little education video, not too long, just to give you an idea what I'm thinking, what you could be thinking as well. You know, put a little idea in your head. And yeah, if you guys have more questions, you can join the Discord, ask me questions. I'm always there. If you guys haven't already, definitely sign up for a BitGet exchange. That's a new place where I'm trading right now, and it's a really cool exchange. You can get $10 for free and 10% back on your first deposit. You guys have been awesome. We're at 3,300 subscribers. I couldn't have gotten here without you. I love you guys. Peace.